Baling straw today with my Case 400, 1957 Case 400 tractor and my Case 130 baler. I don't know if you've seen this baler before, but I've had it for a number of years. A fella gave it to me for helping him clean out his barn. It had a Wisconsin engine on it, and it blew. It basically, the engine just started throwing oil and it wasn't fixable. So I did find another baler like this. I got it at an auction and had a PTO. I shifted the PTO over to this, sold the engine actually for a good price, more than I paid for the PTO baler, so that was good. And it's baling straw here today. Hadn't baled for about 4 years. Had to get a new belt for it, which cost a bit of money, but and I actually have a shield that goes over this belt. I've never seen really one of these balers with a shield on it, but I have that. I didn't put it on because I wasn't sure how the belt was going to work. Anyway, the tractor's running real well. I got my hay crew, or straw crew up here. Pete and Micah. Micah's my grandson, Pete's my son. Micah's a big boy for an 8th grader, and he's learning how to do this. We're not going to do a whole lot today. I've got some of the field sold to somebody else, so I'll quit talking now, get on the tractor, and let you watch a little action. God bless you, and thank you for watching my videos.